Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa bawat isa. And welcome back to our live. Dito na naman tayo sa tahanan ng isang Green Archers, ang Lasal Green Hills, facing off the Ateneo de Manila University sa ating Aspirant 2010 PAIA Liga 2025. And good morning po sa lahat, especially to our Lasal Green Hills parents who is invited me here. Good luck, bro. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung madedepensa natin ang home court, or I mean ating tahanan dito sa Lasal. Let the battle begin. The battle of rivalry, Ateneo versus Lasal Green Hills. Let's go. Let's go. First ball makakuha ng ating Lasal Green Hills. And the first shot, no, in and out. Rebound ng Ateneo. Hop, 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 hop. Number 18. Number 48, nabitawan, steal. Coran Oxy, waiting for his teammate. Somchi, 4-3, wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Bounce pass sa number 48. Pinasa loob. Opya! Hey guys, wala po. Somchi, pass number 9. Somchi at the corner, pass to Sam Dylan using the glass. Mukhang may tapal doon. Pass to Sam, pull up jumper, wala. Rebound again. Kick out. Cacho. Pass to number 72. And Somchi. Wala. Enters a foul. Ay, was free throw area. Basket para kasi is Somchi. Oh, steal. Number 72, wala. Pass to Sam. Another Sam Dylan. Uy, what a footwork. Pero wala. Number 72. Kick out. Cacho. Top of the key. No good. Block by number 50. That's a foul. Wala natin eh, oh. Steal. Sam. Sonji, wala. And that's a pushing foul. Free throw area. Shot para kay Sonji. No good. Out of bounds. Number 9 all the way. Sa loob. Wala. Basket by number 57. First basket para sa Ateneo. Number 9, kick out. Cacho for 3. Yes sir. Para sa 3. By Cacho. Oh, steal by Sam. Dylan. Kick out again para kay Cacho. 4-3, short. Rebound number 50. Steal. Dylan. Bounce pass. Oopsie. There's a foul. Ay, wala pa. May name. Grabe ano yun, no? Ulan eh. Bilog ng buhos eh. Hirap makakuha ng move beat kanina. And the free throw area, jersey number 72. Basket is good. Time remaining 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Basket by number 72. Ito ang ating score. Bounce pass to number 50. No good. And 1. That's a foul. May number 57. And remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Shooting the line, jersey number 57. Gonna shot in and out. Sam. From the corner, Cacho. Daw po. Shot para Cacho, basket. 9-4. Basket again. Official score is 11-4. Full court defense, still number 7-2. Pass to Bote. Tinaas sa loob. Ibanez. And there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 45. Ibanez. 5-1. One shot or two shots. Ibanez, no good. Rebound. Outside. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Steal by Dylan. Outlet pass, 2 against 1. Ooh, nice shot para kay Vivar. There's a foul. Number 72. Ateneo basketball. Number 42. That's number 55. Number 55 with a floater. Basket is good. Oh, steal ang Ateneo. .48. Kick out. Running shot, no good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Bounce pass number 50. Wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Sorry. Floater by number 48. Umahapol ang Ateneo dito. Esomchi. Wala. Rebound by Ibanez. Ibanez with a strong drive. Basket is good. 15-8. Ayun na, number 42. Looking for his teammate. Binigay sa corner. Number 55. Cross. Step back to short. Rebound by Sam. Samuel. And merong call ang foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Ateneo under penalty situation. 2 shots para kay Samuel Esomchi. Good. Second shot para kay Somchi. Samuel, wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 48, out of bounds. Wala rito ng ating Lasal Green Hills. Sam with a strong drive using their height advantage. Basket is good. 17-8. Number 48. Pass, steal. 3 against 1. Bote all the way. Basket. Time out. Ateneo. Official score is 19-8. Biggest lead of the game. 11-point lead para sa ating Lasal Green Hills. Time remaining 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Ayan ang hadal ng ating Lasal Green Hills. Ateneo basketball. Another steal para kay Bote. Bote all the way kinaliwa. Number 55. Bounce pass. Uy! Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Makakuha ng Ateneo. Number 55. Blocked by Sam. Seconds left. 1 minute and 52. Gets the 3. Short. Rebound ng Ateneo. Last touch. Bola ng Ateneo. Hindi ka na makagawa. Number 55. Kick out. Stop and pump. Uy. There's a foul. Another free throw area para sa Ateneo, number 48. Basket. Okay. Bad pass. Blue ball. That's a traveling violation. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. Hand off. Pass to Dylan. Drop pass to Samuel. Ooh. He gets a dunk. Counted ba? It's a counted foul. Bonus shot para kay Sam Esomchi for 3-point play. Wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Oopsie, last touch. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Last 32 seconds. Official po tayo. Sumalaksak, wala. Rebound by Samuel. Ayan na si Somchi. At aking the basket, no good. Rebound by Sam, basket. Last 8 seconds, 7. Take a shot, choosing the board. Last 4 seconds, pwede pa tumira. Somchi for 3. And that's the end of our first quarter. It's a score 25-2. So pagkatapos yan ng ating first quarter. Okay, babalik tayo para sa ating second quarter. Let's go. Magandang umaga po sa bawat isa. This is Paya Basketball League Aspirant 2010 Division.
Blue inbound, blue. Inbound sa kita, ha? Kita lang guwet. Rather on the line. Hold coming. Hey, hold.
Second quarter, let's go. Number 51 for 3. No good. Rebound by Coronel. Number 2. Kick a shot. For us. There's a foul. On the free throw area, choosing number 2. Obligar. Basket para kay Obligar. Basket. 27-12. Steal number 2, wala. Nag-aagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola ng Ateneo. Pass. Number 55. What a nice defense para kay Sam Dylan. Paras. Oh, natapikan. Steal by Vivar. Stop and pump. Yes, sir. Oh, Coronel block there. There's a foul. Sal basketball, Vivar. Pass to Sam. Oh, nabitawan. Naka-recover si Cacho. Oh, steal. Ay ng Ateneo, number 51, binigay using the glass and there's a foul. The shots para kay number 42. Oh, good. Eight minutes and 19 seconds. Second shot by number 42. Basket is good. 29 to 19. Oh, steal. What an extra pass. Out of bounds. LaSalle Green Hills basketball. Number 55. Pass to number 2. To Vivar. Stop and pump using the board. Sam with the rebound and there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 6, Sam Dylan Paras. Basket. Second shot. Our last free throw. In and out, rebound. There's Somchi with us. Rebound and gets the basket. 32 to 13. Out of bounds. Bola ng LaSalle. Guy. Cacho for 3. No good. Defensive rebound. Sam. And one by Samuel Somchi. Time remaining 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Somchi, no good. Wala rito na Ateneo. Number 43. Pass number 52. Number 55, steal. Makakuha. Ayan na, number 9. And gets the basket. Cuarzon. Timeout, Ateneo. Tisha score 36 to 13. back to the ball game. Rito ng Ateneo. Bad pass. Time out. Seven minutes and 2 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. LaSalle Green Hills basketball. Somchi! Ang matangkad para kay Somchi. Samuel. Steal. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Number 52. Steal by Sam. Guarson. What an extra pass to Ibanez. Oh, sorry, that's Gallianatan. Gallianatan. Oh, another steal by Tan. Basket na naman. Para kay Gallianatan. Ayan na, steal by Guarson. Guarson, spin. What an extra pass to Sam. Oh! And one. Basket count and one para kay Sam. Somchi. 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Somchi won a shot for 3-point play. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 51. Pinasa loob. Number 50. Spin. And that's a traveling violation. 54 lang daw po sabi ng ating referee or official. 40 po yan sa ating scoreboard po Somchi for 3. No good. Rebound. Oh, there's a foul. Holding foul. May paras. Substitution doon. Si Sama. Number 48 for Ateneo and number 35 for LaSalle coming in. Number 55. Pass to number 43 to number 55. The guys sa elbow for 3. Short. Rebound by number 16. Guarzon. Tahan ng bola. Setting on the screen. Binigay. Handoff. Oh, sorry. That's number 16. Kick out to Sam. Fake. Sam. Umatake. Wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Ayan na. Oh, nabitawan. Steal by Sam. Person to Sam. And there's a foul. Two shot para kay Somchi. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Basket para kay Somchi. Somchi, wala. Rebound by Guarzon. Black from behind. Makuha ng Ateneo. Number 48. Bigay sa corner. Pass number 48. Pass number 41. Tinangga at there's foul. Guarzon. Pass to Sam. Somchi. Steal ng Ateneo. Pass number 45. And out of bound. And remaining last 4 minutes sa ating first half. Pass to number 41. Kick out to number 48 to number 43. Jump shot, no good. Makuha number 45. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sam. Guarzon. Crossover behind the back. Kick out. Pass to Somchi. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 35. Somchi to Guarzon. From elbow 3. Short. Out of bounds. Ateneo basketball. Number 48. That's number 41. Kick out. Aina floater. Yes, sir. 45 to 15. Mabasa 30 ang alamangan ng ating Lasal Green Hills. Guarzon. Kick out. Pass to number 16 from corner. Too strong. Number 9, Guarzon. Basket is good. 47 to 15. Number 48, pass number 50. Easy layup. 47 to 17. Balik ulit sa 30. Ang lamang ng Lasal. Guarzon. Pass to, back to number 85. To Guarzon. Guarzon, spin. Ibanez, binali. Pasok yan para kay Ibanez. 49 to 17. Number 48. Oh, naka-recover to number 41. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 45. Number 45. Wala. Out of bounds. Green ball. Bola ng Lasal. Oh, that's binigay sa corner. Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 16. Number 16, spin. Pass number 10. Number 85 for 3. Short. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Time remaining po natin. It's a 1 minute left. Pinasa sa corner. Number 41. Number 41. Block by Ibanez. Ibanez. Hand off. Roles. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng Ateneo. Outlet pass. Number 47 to number 41. 43. Wala. Rebound na makakakuha. Outside. Last touch. Ni Ibanez. Ateneo basketball. Number 45. And there's a foul. Time remaining. Last 13 seconds. 13 seconds na lamang po ang hinahabol. 30 seconds na lamang po sa sakting first quarter, first half. Ibanez. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. Alright, end of the first half. Fisher score 49-17. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Yan, muli shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood ng ating live. Especially to our parents from Lasal Green Hills. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. to the ball game. Idol.
All coming! Play! On!
Third quarter. Kalanitan for 3. No good. Esomchi. Wala. And that's a foul. Good. Second shot para kay Sam. Basket. 50-17. Number 48. Number 50. Kick out. 6 seconds to shoot. Sa loob, floater, wala, rebound. Green ball. Person, crossover, sidestep. Uy, what a nice move. Kinaliwa ni Guerson. Sa loob. What a nice trip there by Cacho. Cacho. Uy. Cacho nabitawan. Steal ang Ateneo. Number 48. Pass number 50. Double down daw po. Nalagay sa loob. Fake. Wala. Rebound by Sam. Tila, nagmamadali. Guys, steal by number 48. Number 48, bounce pass. Oh, and sa foul. And duhan by jersey number 44 para sa Ateneo. Time remaining 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Basket by jersey number 44. 52-20. Oopsie, stepping on the line. Wala na ng Ateneo. Oopsie, there's a foul. Number 60. Number 48. Basket. Number 2 to number 7. Pass to Coronel. Kick out. Lazaro for 3. Short. Rebound by number 60. Number 48. Uy, number 50 with a lateral miss. Ay na ang Lasal. Bote to number 44. Uy. Kick out. Lazaro. Number 2, wala. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Number 48, pass number 60, kick out. Number 48 to number 50, wala. And basket by number 50. Ayan na, wala. Number 51, wala pa rin. Rebound by Coronel. Steal. Number 44, basket. Mahabol na ang Ateneo. Bote. Obligar. Pass to Bote. Crossover. Running shot, no good. Ayan ang Ateneo, number 44. Bounce pass to number 48. Basket is good. 52-30. That's a traveling. Lock by Ibanez. Number 55. Number 58. Floater, wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Garzon. That's down 3, wala. Minutes and 9 seconds. Vivar. There's a foul. Wala. Ibanez. Ooh. There's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 45, Ibanez. Ibanez. Ibanez basket. 54 to 55 to 32. Court violation. Heroles. Crossover. Uy, bad pass. Pass number 59, no good. Out of bounds. Ooh, bad pass. Bounce pass. Oh, good defense para sa Lasal. 24-second shot clock violation. Bola ng Lasal. Let's go. Animo. Heroles. Vivar. Pass to Ibanez. That's a traveling violation. Strong drive, nakalusot si number 55. Two minutes and 9 seconds po. Make a shot, wala. Iba na ang Ateneo. Number 60. Naipit. Oops. Heroles with a rebound. Nabitawan and last touch. Bola ng Lasal. Let's go. Heroles. Back to Heroles. Jump shot, basket. Time out. Ateneo. Time remaining 1 minute and 18 seconds. 57 to 34. Okay, back to the ball game. Kick out for 3. Yes, sir. Papasa sa 20 na lamang ang hinahabol ng Ateneo. Top of the key. Number 35. No good. Rebound by number 16. Steal. Makukuha. Rebound by Vivar. Vivar nakalusot. Vivar matake. But there's a foul. Free throw area, jersey number 4, Vivar. Last 36.67 seconds. First shot para kay Vivar. Basket. (59-37). Ateneo, and there's a foul. Last 32 seconds. (59-39). Last 32 seconds remaining. Number 85. Vivar, catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. And Coronel with a putback. Plus a foul. Time remaining, last 13 seconds. Bonus shot para kay Coronel. Coronel, the basket. Take out. Pass number 43, top of the key for 3. 3-point line. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Official score 62-42. Lamang pa rin ang ating PM, ang LaSalle Green Hills. Babalik tayo para sa exciting part ng game, ang fourth and last quarter. Lamang ng 20 ang ating LaSalle Green Hills. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang Ateneo dito.
na dyan sa eskwadra ng duet. Oh!
Number 43. Pass number 56. Number 51, bitawan, floater, nakasagot ang Ateneo. Sam. Kick out. Uy, galyatan. Somchi, wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Ayan na, ang mahabol ang Ateneo dito. Baba sa 18 ang Kalamangan ng Lasal. Ayan na ang double team. Nasa corner, number 43. Almost steal. Good defense para sa ating Lasal. Number 59. Block. Running shot. Basket. Babasang 16 ang Kalamangan. Let's go. Animo. Galano. Tan. Somchi. Pinasa corner. Cacho sa loob, binigay kay Somchi, and there's a foul. 2 shots para kay Sam Somchi. Somchi basket. 63-46. Out of bounds. There's a foul. Pass the corner, gets the three, wala. Rebound by Somchi. Somchi basket. Grabe lakas ni Somchi doon. Uy. Bad pass. Steal na Lasal. Querzon, out of bounds. Oopsie, 7 on the line. Sam, take a shot, no good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Outlet pass, number 56. Ooh! Nadaganan. There's a foul by Somchi. Nakuha ang bigat doon ni Somchi. Time remaining 6 minutes and 28 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Stepping on the line according sa ating official. Bola ng Lasal. Number 9, 4-3. Yes! Para sa 3 by Galian Arguerzon. Umakagat rin ang 3-point dito ni Guerzon. Sa loob, what a nice strip there by Somchi. Sam magmamadali, binale, block from behind, makukuha ni Bote. Bote binigay, pass to Somchi from elbow 3, yes! Para sa 3 by Somchi Samuel. Number 50, pass to number 51. Tumira sa 3. Wow! Pumawi ang Ateneo doon. Guerzon gustong makabawi. Top of the key. Another 3-point din para kay Guerzon. Sagutan ng 3 points ang magkaabilang panig. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang Ateneo. Oh, steal! Makukuha. Nino. Uy! Blue. Green ball. Let's go. Guerzon. Guerson, tumira ulit sa 3. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Bote. Bote attacking the basket. What a finger roll. Para kay Bote. Ayan na ang Ateneo. Number 44. Binale. What a extra pass. And... Di pumasok. Tira na yun eh. On the free throw area, Bart jersey number 50. Opya. Basket. Garson. Pinasa corner sa loob. Steal by Ateneo. Ang bilis si Sam dun ah. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Binigay. Floater. Nakalasot ang Ateneo. Oopsie. Double dribble. Para sa Lasal. Low ball. Kuya. Opya. 5 remaining, 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Somchi using the basket and plus a foul. Basket count and one by Somchi Sam. Somchi jump shot, no good. Rebound, Guerzon. Pass to Somchi. Somchi with a strong drive. Another steal. Guerzon to Galanotan. And number 44. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz tumira, wala. Rebound, makuha ni Sam. Pass to Galano, Tan. Tan, steal by number 48. And Ateneo, number 50 from elbow. Galano, Tan. Uy, nabitawan. Steal by number 44. Ayan na ang Ateneo. Bounce pass to number 48. Foul. Substitution. Time remaining. Opya. Steal. Ayan na, nagagawan. Makakuha. That's a traveling violation. Good defense and good hustle from both team. Especially sa ating LaSalle players sa number 85 and number 44. Green ball, LaSalle Green Hills basketball. Time remaining 1 minute and 53 seconds. Ibanez, what an extra pass to Galanotan. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Oh! Ayan na, number 48. Guy, number 55. Side step to number 44. Basket is good. Number 45. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez kick out. Bad pass. Larito ng Ateneo. Time remaining 1 minute and 12 seconds. Oh, good hustle. Para number 44. Yan ang pinapakita dito ni number 44. For hustling. Ayan na, steal by number 85. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez with a strong drive. Kinaliwa ni Ibanez. Ayan na sa loob. Number 48, number 44, last 36 seconds, kick out. Number 49. Pass number 48, top of the key, short. Last 34 seconds remaining. Bola ng LaSalle. Op ya. Okay. Op. Last 18 seconds. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game from both team. The battle of rivalry. And a nice game para sa Ateneo de Manila University. And congratulations to our LaSalle Green Hills. Ayan, nadepensahan natin ang ating home court. Alright, our final score 86-54 sa pagtatapos yan ng ating laban between the Ateneo versus the LaSalle Green Hills. Congratulations sa ating aspirant 2010 Paya League 2025. Alright, magkita-kita po tayo muli sa ating live hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. And happy blessed Sunday everyone. Hanggang sa muli.